6.8 is not there only. Okay, chalo, let's continue from types of combustion, okay? Who
Can
wants
I
to read
read
Modesa first?
Mohatessa?
Yes,
Can I read
Modesa, go
Mohatessa
ahead.
actually?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Types of
just a minute,
combustion.
okay? Okay, go ahead. Yes, Modesa.
Types of combu- com- combustion.
Combustion.
Combustion. Bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near a gas stove in a kitchen. Turn on the turn on the knob of the gas stove. What do you observe? Caution: do not handle the gas stove yourself. Ask your parents to help. We find that the gas burning rapidly and produce heat and
Light. Heat and light.
uh, produce heat and light. Such
Combustion.
combustion is known as rapid combustion. There are substance like phosphorus, which burn in air at room temperature. The type of combustion is which a material suddenly bursts into
Burst.
flames without the application of any apparent causes is called spon- spontaneous combustion. Ma'am,
Types of combustion. Okay. For the yes, yes. Somebody
yes,
called me.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Nelly died.
Somebody called
No,
me.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Aina, you can read
Aina.
first, okay? I'll let you read. Yes, which I'll let you read. Yes. So there are two types of combustion. First of all, there is an activity for you, and what you need to do is you have to bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near the gas stove in the kitchen, turn on the knob, and you need to do it in the presence of your parents or your guide, okay? We find that the gas will burn rapidly and it will produce heat and light. When you bring the burning magic near the gas stove and when the knob is on, it will burn rapidly. Such combustion is known as rapid combustion. Okay. Now there are other substances like phosphorus which burn in air at room temperature. Phosphorus is a substance. It will burn in air at room temperature without doing anything or without applying anything on it. Without applying any force or pressure, it is going to start burning at room temperature. So that is called spontaneous combustion. Understood?
Yes,
How
ma'am,
many types
understood.
of combustion?
Two
How
types.
many types of combustion I know?
Two types. Two types of
Name them.
combustion.
Name them.
Rapid combustion.
Rapid combustion.
And
um,
and spontaneous combustion.
Spontaneous.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Spontaneous combustion. Okay.
Yes.
What is
Ma'am, now
rapid
can I read
combustion?
Ilma?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
read
beta.
that?
First, tell me what is rapid combustion. What is
Hmm.
rapid combustion?
Any
Whom am I talking to right now? What is rapid combustion, Modessa?
Yes, ma'am.
What is rapid combustion?
We have to first burn a gas stove.
Yes, then
Uh, then
you have
ma'am,
to
I
burn the
don't know.
gas stove. For that, you need to bring a burning matchstick near it, right? So you need to do some work
Yes,
for that, and it will burn
yes.
immediately. That is called rapid combustion. But there are other types of combustion. It will, without applying any pressure or without doing any work, it will start burning at room temperature. What is room temperature?
Mm,
Okay, correct. So that is called spontaneous combustion. Okay, without applying any work, when the substance starts burning, it is called spontaneous combustion. Correct?
ma'am, can I read?
Aina, yes, read beta.
We generally have fireworks on festival days. When a cracker is
Igniting.
ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light, and sound. A large
Evolution.
evol-
Evolution of.
evolution of heat, light, and sound. A large amount
Yes.
of gas formed in the reaction is liberated, and such a reaction is called explosion. Explosion can also take place if pressure is adapted
Apply.
applied applied on the cracker
Apply on.
on the cracker.
Okay. So definitions right now. We did rapid combustion, we did spontaneous combustion, and now we are talking about explosion. So the best example of explosion is fireworks that you use on the festival days, which is Diwali, right? So when you ignite a cracker, a sudden reaction will take place and evolution of heat, light and sound is going to take place. Yes or no? Evolution of heat matlab it is going to burn. It is going to produce light as well as it is going to produce sound. So this is called explosion, and in that process large amount of gas is formed in the reaction. Okay, such reaction is called explosion. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Can I have an answer? Yes. So what did we do right now? How many types of combustion are there? Rapid
Three.
combustion, spontaneous combustion, and
Ex-
name the third one. Very good. Explosion. What happens in explosion, Modessa?
we burn the flames.
We burn the flames. Is that correct? What is produced in explosion?
Heat, light, and sound.
Sound.
Very good. Heat, light, and sound. Aina, can you explain explosion? What is explosion?
Ex- Explosion contains
Mhm.
heat, light, and sound.
Okay. All right. Now, can you name one substance which is harmful for us and which is used in matchstick, which is banned right now? Which is that substance?
Rapid. Rapid.
Rapid is not the substance, but I'm asking you about substance. I had already explained you, right? It is banned right now. It is not allowed to use anymore because it is harmful for the manufacturers also and it is harmful for the users also. Which is that substance?
Gas.
Which gas? Hello, Ilma. Answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is that substance which is harmful for us, which is not allowed to use anymore? The answer is right there on the screen. You just need to look.
Okay, ma'am. Burning candle. Hello,
No,
ma'am.
it is on the left hand side of the paper.
Okay,
Burning
ma'am.
candle is not the right answer, beta. We are talking about matchstick right now.
Matchstick. Yes,
Fire.
ma'am.
Fire is harmful for manufacturers. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the line I am marking on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. However dangerous but for the workers involved,
Of the workers.
Which substance is mentioned here?
dangerous.
White
Dangerous is
phosphorus.
not. Yes, white phosphorus is the answer,
Right.
okay?
Okay,
White
ma'am.
phosphorus was proved to be harmful for the workers and the manufacturers. Also, white phosphorus was used to make matchstick. Okay, it was very poisonous. When it got ignited, it produced poisonous gases, which was harmful for us. Okay, so the government banned it, and instead of that, we are using what are we using now instead of white phosphorus? We use red phosphorus. Okay, what do we
Yes,
use
ma'am.
now? Red phosphorus.
Redful.
All right. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why the color of the matchbox by which we rub the matchstick is red in color. Okay. Can you tell
Ma'am, can I read now?
paper on the screen is going to burn? First answer the question, I'll let you read. Which paper is going to burn faster? The left one or the right one?
Right. Right one.
Correct. Why so?
Because white one paper does not have water.
It does not have water, correct. So it is not going to read the ignition temperature, right? What is the ignition temperature? Can you tell me what is ignition temperature? Okay, the homework for today for you would be you need to give a few definitions. Okay, you need to give definitions. You have to write the definition of combustion. Write it in your book so that you do not forget. Okay, definition of combustion,
Yes, ma'am.
ignition temperature.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
क्या चीज?
Def- you need to write the definition of combustion, then
Ma'am, you have to
ignition
write
temperature.
in rough book.
हाँ जी, in rough
Okay,
book.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Write the definition of ignition temperature. Then you have to write the definition of inflammable substances. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Okay. Understood? Okay. Who wants to read now?
मैम कैन आई
Ilma.
पूरा
Ilma
लिखना
is
है ना?
just only definitions.
मैम कैन आई
Only.
रीड? मैम वो सब डेफिनेशन लिखने हैं ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Okay.
मैम कैन आई रीड से करो ना स्क्रीनशॉट लेनी
Should I make you write right now? लिखा दी बता.
कंबाइनेशन से करो
Rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Okay? Done?
yes ma'am okay ma'am
Should I move ahead now?
yes
Ilma, come on, read flame beta. Read flame 6.4.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये फ्लैम की डेफिनेशन नहीं लिखनी
I'll tell you beta. First read, I'll let you know. Okay?
Ma'am, can I read in, ma'am?
Yes.
Flame. Observe an LPG flame. Can you tell the color of the flame? What is color of candle flame? Recall your experience of burning a magnesium ribbon in class 7. If you do not have experience of burning the remaining item in table 6.2, you can do the now. Record your observation and mention whether on burning the metal from a flame or not.
Okay. What is the color of the candle flame? Who knows the color of the candle flame?
Yellow and orange.
Very good. What is the color of the flame of the gas stove?
Blue. Dark blue and light.
Very good. Now, why does that happen? So, I will explain you in some time. Does the candle form a flame? Yes or no? Does the candle
Ma'am,
मैम your voice is cutting yes ma'am candle
okay,
from
just a minute. Does the candle produce flame? Yes or no?
yes yes
Does the magnesium ribbon form the flame? Magnesium ribbon.
yes
Yes or
yes
no? Which flame? What is the color of that flame? What is the color of the flame?
white
Very good. I need to show you the picture to get an answer from you, beta. You should remember that. Huh? So candle forms a flame. Magnesium ribbon forms a flame. Does camphor form flame? Camphor. Do you know what is camphor?
yes
What is camphor? Tell me. Now, do you remember what is camphor?
as white balls that we keep
That we keep in our
cupboard
cupboards to keep cockroaches and other insects away. Yes or no?
yes
So, does it produce flame when you burn it? Is it combustible or non-combustible? Do you want to check whether it produces flame or not? What about kerosene stove?
from flame
Very good. And what about charcoal?
What is that?
Korsa. Korsa is it's in
Yes.
Gujarati it is called korsa. Does it produce flame?
Yes.
Yes.
It does not produce flame, beta. It glows. It does not produce flame. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
got it.
Yes.
So let's move on to structure of flame and let me know who wants to read now.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, I know. Go ahead. Others are not present in class except Modesa, Aina, and Ilma. Yes, Aina, go ahead. Read.
Activity 6.6. And light a candle. Question. Be careful. Hold a glass tube with a pair of tongs and introduce each one end in the dark zone of a non-flecting
Flickering.
pickle.
What you need to do here is you have to light a candle and hold a glass tube with a pair of tongs. What is tongs? Do you know what is pair of tongs? At least
No,
say yes or no, beta.
no, ma'am.
Yes, you should say yes or no so that I know that you know or you do not know so that I can show you, right?
Yes,
The man holding the ribbon, the tool by which he is holding the ribbon is called tongs. This is nothing but tongs, okay? Understood? This is
yes,
pair of tongs. Alright? Now you know what is tongs?
yes,
So what do you need to do in activity? You need to burn a candle and hold a glass tube with a pair of tongs. Okay? Then what you need to do? You need to introduce its one end in the dark zone of the non-flickering candle flame. The dark zone is called the non-flickering candle flame. मतलब जो नीचे का जो candle का part होता है जो flicker नहीं कर रहा है, that is called the dark zone. Then you need to bring a lighted matchstick near the other end of the glass tube. What you need to do is bring a lighted matchstick at the other end of the glass tube, just like it is shown in the figure. There is a pair of tongs, the picture of pair of tongs in this figure as well. Okay. Then what is going to happen? The matchstick will start burning, and notice that the wax near the heated wick melts quickly. Okay. You will also notice that the wax which is near the wick, this is called the wick, it melts quickly. Yes or no?
yes,
Okay. Understood the activity?
yes,
What you need to do in the activity, can you tell me? Hello. Yes, Modesa, tell me what we have to do in this activity. Hello.
sorry, ma'am. Hello, you
What are
can
we
hear
supposed
me?
to do? Yes, but I can hear you. Go ahead.
There was network problem.
Okay, okay, no problem. Now I can hear you properly. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first we have to burn candle.
Very good.
Uh, then we have to check its flame.
Okay. And what we have to do next? What we need to do with the glass tube?
Now uh, we have to take pairs of tongues.
Very good. And keep it near the flame, right? Keep it near the lower part of
Yes,
the flame, which is non-flickering. It is called the dark zone. This is called the dark zone. Okay. The dark zone which is mentioned in the activity is this one. The lower part of the flame is called the dark zone and it is non-flickering part. Non-flickering matlab it is not moving. Okay. Then what we need to do next? Yes, Madhasa, go ahead. I'm listening to you, Beta.
And then we have to matchstick
Then we have to bring a burning matchstick
near the tube.
near the other end of the glass tube and it will start burning. है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Why does it happen so? Because, come on, start reading. Correct.
The
Go ahead.
substance
Yeah.
the substance which vaporize burning during burning give flames. For example, kerosene oil and molten wax rise rays through the wick and are vaporized during burning and form flames. Charcoal, mm, on the
On
other hand, does not vaporize and so does not produce a flame. In activity 6.6, put the vapors of wax coming out of the gas tube be the cause of the flame
cause, very good. Cause of the flame.
because of the flame produced. When the candle
Hmm.
flame is steady, he introduce a clean glass plate. Slide into the luminous zone of the flame.
Luminous zone of the flame.
Luminous zone of the flame in figure 6.10. Hold it there with a pair of tongs for about 10 seconds, then remove it. What do you observe?
Okay.
Note a circular blackish ring is formed on the glass plate slide. It indicates the deposition of unburnt carbon particles present in the luminous zone of the flame. Hold a thin, long copper wire just inside the flame for about 30 seconds. Figure
Hmm.
6.10.
Hmm.
Notice that
Just read the last paragraph and then we'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay? Complete reading the last paragraph.
okay. Notice that the portion of the copper wire just outside the flame gets red hot. Uh, does it indicates that the non-luminous zone of the flame has a high temperature? In fact, this part of the flame is the hottest part. Uh, Cold
Okay.
meats,
Okay, beta. Bus done, beta. We'll discuss in the next lecture. This this is done. Okay. We'll
Barata ma'am,
discuss this paragraph. हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, I want your number.
Okay. It's there in the group. Okay.
No,
Let's. You want my number?
ma'am, write in chat box. Okay.
Okay, beta. I'm writing it here. Okay. Take the screenshot and I'll go. Okay.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.